Hello and welcome back, Manisha here, and today I'm going to paint these two beautiful coasters in Indian folk art style. But before that, I want to share a news with you. I have uploaded my latest Skillshare class, which is about the wont art, Indian folk art, and I take you through the entire materials we need, the patterns of wont art, the basic understanding of wont art style, and then we will be painting a beautiful illustration of tree and birds in wont art style. I will take you through the entire process and guide you step by step in making this beautiful illustration. The link is in the description. Please check it out, and you can also enjoy 1 month of free premium membership using this link. Now let's get started with today's coasters. So here, this is the MDF coaster we get at art store or even at Amazon. I will post the link in the description, and I am giving it the base coat. I'm using Fevicryl acrylic colors, the fluid acrylic colors. You can use any brand that you have, and here I'm using the neon acrylic colors by Fevicryl. Wont art is one of very ancient folk art styles of India, practiced by the largest tribal community of India, the Gonds, and most of the depictions are about nature and the oneness of nature and human. So the whimsical and magical animals and trees are the main part of wont art illustrations. Here I am making this fish, and as you see, I did not follow any drawing. I'm just going ahead and painting the motif on the coaster directly with the acrylic colors. And that's the simplicity of any folk art, because it's not meant to be perfect, because it's beautiful in its imperfection only. So here, as you see this, and there are two types of wont art. One where the artist outlines the entire motif or subject, and another one where they don't. So I will be showing you both the types. I will be outlining one of the motif, and I will be leaving another one just like that, or maybe I will leave both of them. So let's see what I decide at the end of the painting. It all depends on how it looks when it's finished. So this is the first layer of the painting on the coaster, because wont art is all about the marks and patterns which are filled all over the surface of the subject. That's the characteristic of wont art. So every painting is done in layers. First we make the base layer, and then on top of that we paint the marks and patterns, or you can call them embellishment. You can check out the details if you click the link in the description and go to the Skillshare class. There I elaborate everything in detail, and I discuss many examples also. Do check out that class, and don't worry if you don't have the premium membership. With that link you will get 1 month free premium membership, and right now a discount is also going on, so it will be a great deal for you. Skillshare is a fabulous platform where one can learn tons of creative classes, and other classes also, academic classes also are there. So you can just check it out. I learn a lot from Skillshare. And there we go, first one is ready. We have moved on to the second one. Because the base coat is still not completely dried, that's why I'm having a little bit of problem in blending the colors properly. So I suggest you to wait for the base coat to dry completely and then move on with the first layer. I did not do that. I thought it was dried, but it wasn't, and I started painting. So I'm struggling a bit, but it's acrylic, so we don't need to worry because acrylic is a very forgiving medium. You can completely cover up your mistakes because it's very opaque. So there, mother turtle and a baby turtle. Now I'll leave you with the music and let you enjoy the process of painting. I'll start talking only in the end, or if it's required somewhere at any step. Okay, so both the first layers are done. Now I'm moving on with the mark making and pattern making on this fish. There, the marks are almost done, just the tail fin and the plant. In my Skillshare class, I also explain all the different kinds of marks we use in Gond art, because there are many art forms where we use such mark makings. So how is Gond art different from rest of them? I discuss all of that in that Skillshare class, so do make sure to check it out. And you can cancel your subscription whenever you want, so you are not going to lose anything. There we go. The final step is making the eyes of the animal, like so. And the first coaster is ready. I'm not going to outline this. And there. Moving on to the turtle. There. Simple patterns, simple marks. And we are done with both the coasters. There, have a look at it. That's the final look. I hope you enjoyed today's video and I hope you are going to give it a try. Do give it a try and make your own Gond art coasters at home and share it with me on my social media. The links are in the description. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. And please don't forget to check out the Skillshare class. Also, all the products I used are linked in the description. Thank you so much.